Life cycle of frog and butterfly.
Can you tell me about the life cycle of a frog?
Sure, dear. The frogs lay eggs in large groups called spawns. The frog lays eggs which hatch into tadpole. The tadpole is very different from a frog. A complete change from the young form to adult form is called as metamorphosis.
Is the life cycle of butterfly similar to that of frog?
Yes, dear. The butterfly also shows metamorphosis like the frog. The caterpillar which comes out of the egg is very different from the adult butterfly. This caterpillar is also called as larva. The caterpillar builds a cocoon around itself. Next stage is the pupa. It sheds its skin many times and then finally transforms into adult butterfly. The process of shedding the old skin is called molting.